Welcome to my channel. My name is Karuna and in today's video I will be sharing with you guys my nighttime skincare routine for deep cleansing my pores and making sure all the gunk is out of my pores, because these days with the pollution and the time we are living in, our pores tends to get really blocked and clogged that we have to clean them on a weekly basis. But pores are really important as well. They are like nostrils for our skin, if you know what I mean. So yes, we have to clean them on a weekly basis and really deep clean our pores so that our skin can breathe and can renew itself. And yes, I know this involves a lot of work, but guys, our skin is an investment piece. We have to invest our time, money and effort in it to make it look healthy and obviously bright. So yes, so moving ahead, I will be using all the Plum products because I really love their skincare products. So I will be using them today. They are SLS and paraben free, guys, and great for sensitive skin. This is also a vegan brand, and this is a great brand if you're looking out for some affordable skincare products in your daily routine. You can definitely go and check Plum Goodness as a brand. I really swear by their products, and their green tea range especially is my absolute favorite. I swear by their range and you guys know it by now. So yes, now let's quickly get into today's video. So I am wearing a little bit of makeup today, so I will be first removing it and then we will start with the whole shebang. And also for removing my makeup, I will be using cleansing balm by Earth Rhythm. I will be back.
A few moments later.
So I have quickly changed into my night dress. Without further ado, let's start with today's cleansing routine. I'm so excited. So I will start off with obviously keeping my hair back. That's a no-brainer, guys. So yes, and now with everything aside, now let's pamper ourselves. So मैंने अपना मेकअप रिमूव कर लिया है with an oil based cleansing balm. I will be cleansing my face with this baby out here, and this is their green tea pore cleansing face wash. So I will be just using this now. This comes in a gel based consistency and it has some green beads in it, which is meant for exfoliating your skin, and it does exfoliate your skin really well. Before going in with the cleansing, I will wet my face. I have this water in. So yes, I will now just massage really gently onto your face, and it will lather beautifully. You don't have to put pressure or something. As you can see, I'm going really light-handed because you don't need to use a lot of pressure. You have to clean your face really nicely, so that all the gunk, dust, grit and grime, sweat is all away from your face and you don't break out easily. And this face wash is really gentle. This will clean your face. This will clean your face beautifully, and as you can see, it is lathering so beautifully. I will go in circular motions like so on my forehead, around my eyes, the corner of my eyes. This face wash has some really great star ingredients in it, and it's very relaxing, guys. You must massage your face with this cleansing face wash for at least 1 to 2 minutes so that everything is out of your face. And don't forget to take it down to your neck, because that is also very important. Now I will just quickly wash my face off. So I have washed my face off with the face wash, and as you can see, my face is already feeling so bright and it's feeling so soft. So while my face is still wet, I will go in with the star product of all the products. So this is their plum green tea face mask. This is a clay based face mask, and this is a wonderful face mask, guys. Wonderful face mask. So I will be applying this. As you can see, I have used quite a lot of it. Almost I am about to empty it, but yes. So I will be using my finger to apply this. So I will be just applying this all over my face. So I will apply this face mask generously around my mouth area, because I have a lot of pigmentation out here. I will not apply it around my eyes because you should not. It will dry out your eyes even more, and I already have dry eyes, so no. The skin is really thin out there, so you don't want to. I will be applying generously on my forehead because I tend to break out a lot there. So guys, as you can see, I have applied this mask generously all over my face. You don't have to go around your eyes, but yes, apply it generously and you will see a remarkable difference after you wash your face. So yes, so I will just sit for around 10 to 15 minutes for this face mask to dry. This face mask is great for acne prone skin. I can't stress this enough, and if you are oily skin, you are going to love it, and dry skin people, you are gonna love it. This will renew your skin. This will provide the ultimate glow to your skin. So yes, this has some star ingredients in it, like it has some kaolin, bentonite clay, green tea extracts. The ingredients are fab in this, and I would suggest the whole green tea range. You should use this only at the night time, because it has glycolic acid, and during the day glycolic acid tends to make your skin more sensitive to the sun rays, so you don't want to hurt your skin. So yes, I will just wait for some time, let it dry. Till then I will drink my water. So guys, I have removed my face mask with this bamboo fiber pad, and these are reusable, guys. See, I have removed it. I forgot to shoot the process. I'm so sorry. So yes, I've used this fiber pad to remove my face mask. It's very easy to remove it. I will now just quickly wash my face with some water, and I will be right back. So guys, as you can see, I have just now washed my face after the face mask, and you can see the brightness in my face. My face is really glowing. और ना ये बहुत फेस बहुत टाइट हो जाता है, इफ़ यू नो व्हाट आई मीन. द पोर्स मतलब श्रिंक हो जाते हैं, आपके स्किन बहुत स्मूथ हो जाती है. तो जब तक मेरी फेस थोड़ी सी डैम्प है, नाउ आई विल गो इन विद द प्लम ग्रीन टी टोनर. दिस इज़ अ वंडरफुल प्रोडक्ट, गाइज. So the way I like to use the toner is मैं अपने हाथों में थोड़ा सा लेती हूँ, then I just pat it into my skin. Then I just pat it into my skin. Your skin will soak this up real quick. See, my skin had really soaked it in. So now I recently emptied out plum green tea night gel, which is a wonderful product, guys, which is a wonderful product, but sadly I have emptied it out. And I have also emptied plum mattifying moisturizer, so I can't use them now, and I don't have a backup of that. So if you have not seen my empties video, I will link it here or here. You can click and check that out, what all products I have emptied it. So now after the toner, I will use this plum sea buckthorn oil. I really swear by this. This has changed my skin for good. I will just take 4 to 5 drops of it, and I generally use this as a moisturizer because this is so lightweight. This is so lightweight. I will use this around my eyes. You can definitely go around your eyes. Now I will just pat it into my skin. I will give myself a good massage for about 2 to 3 minutes. Non-oily, guys. This facial oil is not oily. If you know what I mean, you really have to experience the feel of it. This is really a great product. Dry skin type though will fall in love with this. I absolutely love this. Look how my skin is shining and glowing. So with that, I complete my nighttime skincare routine for deep cleansing my pores, and this will make your skin glow. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, then don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon if you have not already, and if the button is already gray, then leave it aside, don't touch it. So yes, with that, thank you so much for watching. I will see you when I will